Hi, this is Alina, and today I just thought that I should make a DIY hand sanitizer video for you guys. By the way, this is my first time vlogging. So the things that you basically need is an isopropyl alcohol. First, measure the isopropyl alcohol, 75 ml. So I'm gonna put it in the bowl here, and then I'm gonna add aloe vera to this. And I'm gonna measure it to about, this is a 50 ml. Next up is the essential oil. Is advisable if you do around 20 drops. So, and then you have to mix this well. Okay, and I think we have our hand sanitizer ready. Here's my funnel. So there you are. This is the final product. It's so easy to make this at home. Let's try it. Okay, yeah, this is quite good. Quite good, and the best thing is that the aloe vera, it also acts like a moisturizer. So this is gonna work for you both ways, protection and moisturizing. For more DIY videos, subscribe to Hauterfly.